It's really hard to see, but it's got a little detail to it. And let's just go ahead and unveil the shoe. Holy crap, man. Hey, what up guys, Paps Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. And today we're gonna do a really, I don't even know how to describe it. I just know it's gonna be probably the most valued shoe in my collection so far. So I'm excited about that. So this one is the Air Max 1 OG Red University, which is a really hype shoe. It pretty much sold out everywhere, or it sold out everywhere. And it's not reselling for so much last time I saw it. But even then, it's kind of like a, kind of like a collector's shoe, or I just want to think that because, I have it. So the day before I copped these, I went to the mall, right, and I saw some dude wearing the other OG color, the blue ones, the blue and gray ones, I think it is, right? That's an OG one. Anyways, the point is I saw some dude wearing those. I'm like, shit, I need some Air Max 1s, I'm like, yo, those are actually clean, and I've heard that they're really comfortable as well. So I really want to try them out. All right, so let me just take mine from. Oh, come on, man. The box is backwards. Oh, wait. No, but that makes... Wait, hold... no, the label's right there. But anyways, I said that, let's say it was a Sunday. I think it was a Sunday, actually. And then the Monday after, so literally the day after, I was just having lunch. And I get a tweet from one of the Twitter pages I follow saying that we got some Air. I swear, every time I get Air Maxes, or something like... Well, not every time, but most of the time, I'll be getting those airbags. I think it's marketing. Marketing strategies, man. These companies are getting smart. Oh, wait. Yo, I totally forgot. Yeah. I thought the box was backwards. Okay, so on Twitter, I see that Urban Outfitters had restocked these, and I see that they restocked it, and I have been looking at them, and like I said the day before, I was looking at, or I thought of getting Air Max ones. So I went to Urban Outfitters, and I was trying to cop the shoe, right? And I actually got in my cart, and I was able to get to the checkout point where I was trying to use PayPal, because I've been using PayPal a lot because it's a lot easier. So I do that, and then I don't know why my PayPal lagged, and by the time I try to place my order on the shoes, look at that, size 11, that's my size, boy. The shoe was sold out, but I was about to give up on the shoe, and then I get another tweet saying that the guys over at Lepson and Hammer, what is the box not one open? They restocked it as well. Oh, look at that, hold on, right there. Oh, let's go. I love these boxes. I love special edition boxes, yo. This is so crazy. And so Lepson and Lepstone. How do you say their name? These guys right here, they restocked it as well. And yo, as soon as I saw that tweet, almost immediately I was able to get in. I got the shoes in my cart, checked out with PayPal, which once again, I recommend for you guys to use because it's a lot easier. They know your address, they know your everything. So it's a lot easier to check out. Oh, they're peeking over here. They're peeking over here. Air Max 1 anniversary, or March 26, 1987, something more than a shoe was born. The Air Max 1 was like nothing we'd ever seen before. Visible Air started a revolution. The paper, it has Nike, right? Yeah, it has like a reflective Nike font to it. I can barely see it, and I don't think you guys can see it. It's really hard to see, but it's got a little detail to it. And let's just go ahead and unveil the shoe. Holy crap, man. I'm just admiring them at this point. Like, it's the Air Max 1. What excites me most about this shoe is that, oh my god, dude, look at this. I think I want to cry. This is so beautiful. I think this is a beautiful shoe. It's OG, it's retro, it's really well done. And even then, I was gonna say maybe the quality's not, but nah, the quality is actually really good on this one. The suede feels amazing. These are gonna be really hard not to get dirty though, so I'm probably not gonna wear them as much. Damn, again, this is one of those shoes that once again, I don't believe, or I can't believe that I have them. They sent extra laces. Oh man, I love these type of details too. I like that detail a lot. I didn't know they had an extra pair of laces. Let's go ahead, once again, the reflective Nike Air chainy hanging thing over here from the last two lace holes. And right below that you can see, once again, this I would say about half or 3/4 of the way cut Nike swoosh over here. The finish over here on the toe box is actually feels really good too. It feels like it's gonna be comfortable to wear. And of course, I don't know how I can forget, man, the Air Max bubble, the one that revolutionized the whole game over here on the heels. You got Nike Air as well. That's pretty much the only branding. Nah, actually I take that back. These have the name of the shoe, Nike Air Max, over here on the outside of the tongue with more Nike branding as well. The size and everything is on the back of that. And on the inside, I don't know why I grabbed the shoe again, but whatever. More Nike Air branding. And that's really it for the insole. And then let's go ahead and take a quick look at the outsole. It reminds me a lot of the color pattern reminds me a lot of like a Jordan 3, like the Jordan 3 black cements. It reminds me a lot of that. I don't know why. I really like it. And then it has Nike once again, and the Air kind of curved in with the pattern going over here in the mid part of the foot. The laces, pretty much the same laces that we saw on the Air Max 180, which if you guys haven't watched the video, is going to be either linked in the description or in a card right now. But again, really old school. And the suede, it's just the way the suede looks. And I think the DSLR is making it justice. The way the DSLR, this dude, the way it pushes the red towards you, it's a really eye-catching red. A lot of stitching on these as well. You see a little bit on the Nike swoosh on both sides and throughout the entire shoe. Even on the tongue, you have the stitching over there. And I think that's it, right? I think this is a shoe that you could wear with a lot of outfits and a lot of short pant combination. So I'm excited to do the on-feet look for these. Okay, but now, oh, they slipped. I almost dropped that. No good, no good. All right, now it's the moment of truth. See, these smell weird. These smell different. Like they don't smell bad, but they smell different than other shoes. Probably my favorite shoe in my collection right now. I still gotta try them on, of course. I still gotta see how they feel. But right now, let's go ahead and see how they look on feet. Alright, but anyways guys, that was it for today's video. A really special one. Again, really special shoe. I know I went around with the story a lot, but I really hope you liked the video. And if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe so keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But once again, thank you for watching. You guys are amazing. Peps Money Bags. Out.